Hello, good day viewers. Here is our second problem under trapezoidal rule. We are asked to evaluate the definite integral of the function 2e to the negative 3x with respect to x from negative 1 down to 1. We are given n equal to 4, for which n here stands for the number of trapezoids inscribed under the curve. Alright, let's get started. I would like to start by writing the formula. Remember, area is equal to delta x divided by 2 multiplied by f of x naught, then plus 2 multiplied by f of x1 plus 2 multiplied by f of x2 plus, you keep on adding up to 2 multiplied by f of xn minus 1, that is the second to the last term, then plus f of xn. Remember that you only multiply the middle terms by 2, while the first and the last terms remain the same. All right, I would like to start by finding delta x. Delta x is equal to b minus a divided by n, for which b is the upper limit, a is the lower limit, and n stands for the number of trapezoids. This is equal to, the upper limit is 1, that is 1 minus the lower limit, which is negative 1, divided by n, which is equal to 4. So you can see to the top we have 1 minus 1, which is 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So we have 2 divided by 4, which is 0.5. All right, I would like to use number line. And on this number line, we are going to begin with negative 1 and stop at 1. So let's do that. So we have negative 1 right here, and we are going to add this constant common difference, that is the width of every single trapezoid. So if we take negative 1 and add it to 0.5, we are going to get negative 0.5, negative 0.5. Then the next one, if you add this to this, you're going to get 0. Next one, if you add this to 0, you're going to get 0.5. Then if you add 0.5 to 0.5, you're going to get 1 exactly. So we're going to stop here. Next, I would like to compute for f of x. Remember that our f of x is equal to 2 multiplied by e to the negative 3x. We have x here, we have f of x right here. So when x is negative 1, what happened? We have 2e to the negative 3 times negative 1, right? So let me use my calculator to simplify everything. And this will give us 40.171 in 3 decimal places. Then we have to take when x is negative 0.5. This will give us 2e to the negative 3 times negative 0.5. And this is equal to 8.963. Then we take the next one, that is when x is equal to 0, which is this value right here. When x is 0, we have 2e to the negative 3 times 0. Negative 3 times 0 will give us 0. E to 0 is 1. 1 times 2, this would give us 2 exactly. The next one, that is when x equal to 0.5. 0.5. We have 2e to the negative 3 times 0.5. This will give us 0.446. Then the last one, that is when x equal to 1. We have 2e to the negative 3 times 1. This will give us approximately 0.100. All right, we are done with simplifying all these f of x's. Then remember, the middle terms will have to be multiplied by 2. So let me substitute into our formula. Our formula, which is area equal to delta x. Our delta x is 0.5. We divided by 2. We multiply by f of x naught. This is our f of x naught, that is 40.171. 40.171, then plus 2 multiplied by f of x1, that is the second one. We take this, we multiply by 2, 8.963, 8.963 plus 2 multiplied by 2 again, then plus 2 multiplied by this value right here, which is 0.446, 0.446, and the last one you don't have to multiply by 2, which is 0.1, right? So let me simplify the inside first. 0.5 divided by 2 is 0.25, so we have this to be 0.25. We multiply by 40.171 plus we take 2, we multiply by this. That will give us 17.926 plus 2 times 2 is 4 plus 2 times this, that is 0.892. Then lastly we have 0.1. So let me add all of this together first before we multiply by 0.25. So this is equal to 0.25 multiplied by, if you add all of this together, you're going to get 63.089. Then we multiply by 0.25, and this is 15.77 in 2 decimal places. And hence 15.77 is the approximated area under the curve of the function 2e to the negative 3x using trapezoidal rule. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.